Hello guys, this is Annie and I am reading for the sign of Sagittarius right now for the month of April 2021. That what are the energies? Let's see what are the energies for the month of April 2021. What are the energies for the month of April 2021 for the Sagittarius, for the sign of Sagittarius? Sagittarius people are well known for their determination, for their willpower, for their strength, and I am hugely one of the biggest fan of the Sagittarius sign. So, guys, let's see what are the energies of Sagittarius. Okay, Two of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Ten of Swords, Queen of Swords, and King of Pentacles. The energies are very much positive for the sign of Sagittarius, because Two of Wands means that your person has decided something and looking for taking some action. And this card whenever this card comes up, it means that your person have decided something and he has chosen you over something. And then Ten of Pentacles, it means financial abundance. So your person or you maybe are right now at a very good place financially, or it shows that your financial position is very okay. And if you are waiting for the communication, so this is the sign, Eight of Wands, that your communication is coming from you to him, or from him to you. So be open for the communication, I would say. Ace of Swords, like if this card in upright means clarity, and anything you want to know about your person, or any clarity you want to achieve from this card. But now this card is in the down in the reverse, so clarity, so the clarity you want is come is is coming, but not right now. And Queen of Swords is a very honest queen. It is very decisive, it is very bitter, but sometimes it does follow the truth, and it declares a very decisive energy. So it might be your energy, it might be your person energy. The King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is a king which is very much practical, and this king is honest, and is a, you can say that, is able to take decision at any time. So I would like to clear some cards for you. Let's see why this Two of Wands here for Sagittarius. Why this Two of Wands is here for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, reading is very practical and very clear. Your person does want to talk to you, and he wants to take action and come forward for you. So six. So he is seeing that he's quite disappointed right now. He's quite disappointed right now because he's not seeing any kind of future with you, and your person is very disappointing. He sees that he sees that you will not give him the right answer which he wants or expecting from you. And if we clarify the Ten of Pentacles, he's in the very jealous. He's jealous from something. This king is a very jolly and very light-hearted or light-mooded uh, in the upright position, but in the reverse, it this king is a very jealous. So he might be jealous of your financial abundance, he might be jealous of your financial stability. So uh, be be clear about this. And Eight of Wands, he might be thinking that your position, or your uh, your process of communication is quite nearly your communication process is not. Please avoid outside interference. So this high spirit shows that he's thinking about you in a very, in a very serious manner. He's thinking you and wants to talk to you in a religious way, in a very positive way. Let's see why this ace of so 10 ace of swords is here for you. Why this ace of swords is here for you? I am speaking or talking very fastly, so that's why my I have some breathing issues as well. So please avoid this and please pardon me for that. So this ace of sword is that there was some deception were in the past. There was some deception in the past, and your person were decisive in many ways, and you were the person who had decided to move on. So this card means like you or your person, one of you were decisive in the past, but now things are getting balanced and your person is having clarity about you as a person, or you are getting clarity about your person as a as a as what kind of person he is, or what kind of person you are. You both are getting clarity about each other, but in the past you both were facing deceiving energy. You both were facing deceiving energy. I was on fast, so that's why my energy is quite low. But I want to complete the reading of Sagittarius because this sign is very near and dear to my heart. So I would like to complete the reading of Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, for you, I am very after my fast. I am here now. See, Knight of Swords and Queen of Swords. This is the energy of your person, and this is the energy of you. Your person is coming very fastly, and he wants to tell you something. He wants to clear the air between you guys. So be ready, be prepared, and be open for the communication. I would always say that to every sign, that never ever turn off your communication. Always be present or be open for the communication. Many of us would, what would we do? We just avoid, or we just blocked our person, and then we say that no, we do not want to. We become egoistic, and we become like we don't want to be in the touch with our person. But this time I would like to say that be open for the communication, so that your person may feel good about you, or he may feel good about your personality. So let's clarify the King of Pentacles. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. Let's clarify King of Pentacles for the sign of Sagittarius. Let's clarify King of Pentacles for the sign of Sagittarius. Let's clarify King of Pentacles for the sign of Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, this King of Pentacles clarify Three of Cups. There, this Three of Cups sometimes may regard as third party situation, but I read it as a parting or enjoying with friends. But your king looks very serious. Your person looks very serious. He is not parting with anyone. He is not enjoying with anyone. Right now he is thinking, he is keeping a pentacle and his wand in his hand, and he wants